So if you can tell by the title, you know why we're here. I am doing a review on the new Eaze Drop Blur Smooth and Tint Stick from Fenty Beauty. So if you have been here before, welcome back to my channel. If you have not been here before, my name is Keshonta Shontel. Welcome to my channel. So if you are tuned in to the channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my beautiful online family because we are always lit over here. Okay, so yes guys, I'm super excited. This is all over social media right now. It is the newest craze. It is what everyone is talking about. But do you need it? That is why we're here. I am your unmonetized, unsolicited, I don't know. I am here to buy these products and try them so you don't have to. I give you the real on this channel, whether or not it's worth it or not. And I am just really excited to try this just because, no, I don't necessarily need another foundation, but I am always in the market for the perfect foundation, which I feel like most people are. We're going to talk about the quality of the foundation. We're going to talk about the price of the foundation. We're going to talk about just pretty much everything. And then I am going to do a little try on for you so you can see what it's giving. So pretty much the way this foundation has been marketed is it is so easy that you can't it up. Okay, this foundation comes pretty much in 25 different shades. So what I have seen is the foundation shade ranges from light medium, medium deep, and deep. I did not see any shades for anyone fair, but you know, Rihanna always caters to everyone. So eventually she'll probably come out with some more. So this foundation is supposed to be long wearing, light, buildable. It resists fading and transfer. The one thing that caught my eye about this foundation is I've been a makeup artist for a very long time, and MAC was my go-to foundation, the Studio Fix foundation. But baby, that thing oxidized. You was giving pumpkin, you was giving orange crayon, whatever it was for the fall, you was giving it. But this foundation is supposed to be non-oxidizing, so that alone impressed me. This foundation also has sodium hyaluronate, which is going to help give your skin moisture. And this foundation also is supposed to be very blurring to the skin. So if you suffer from pores, fine lines, and wrinkles, this foundation is supposed to blur all of those lines. I definitely would recommend doing a primer with it. Now, even though this foundation is a blurring stick and it is marketed to where that you don't have to use any tool, so you don't have to use a beauty blender, you don't have to use a brush, you can use pretty much your fingers. I am a girl that has been trained with a brush, so I absolutely love brushes. But I mean, we stand a diverse foundation, so if it can do wonders without having the extra tools, hey, it is what it is. So pretty much we are going to get started. I am already wearing the foundation, but I want you guys to see what it looked like before I put it on, what it looked like as I was putting it on, my true and honest feelings on the product. So we're gonna go ahead and just jump straight into this review. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started. I typically use the Vitamin Enriched Face Paste by Bobbi Brown. This is one of my favorite moisturizers. It has vitamins A, C, and E in it. It is very moisturizing, but most importantly, it does have a primer built in, so that just makes it very efficient for when you're doing your makeup, because technically you could just go ahead and kill two birds with one stone. So I love it. And I do have the Rihanna Pro Filter primer. I don't pull from it as much, but it is a really good primer to use. And as you can see, that just makes my skin is skidded, okay? All right, so I got my little Sephora bag because, you know, your girl was really excited about this product just because I had seen some really good swatches online, and, you know, I'm hoping that I have that same experience. So first off the bat, the packaging is really cute. Very convenient, economically savvy, because it is small enough to where it can go in your purse. I do feel like because this is clear and it's plastic, probably it'll get dirty very quickly. Of course, you know, this is my Lancome one that I normally use, and then I have a Bobbi Brown one. I like it when the packaging is dark for that specific reason, but it's okay. I mean, Rihanna still has really cute packaging. It does come with the little, I don't know, this is a stopper or something, little cap. Now, I will say this. This is all of the product that you get. Now, the price of this foundation, because I did get other stuff, the price of this foundation is $35. I do not feel like for $35 you get a lot of product. I feel like most of the product, well, the rest of the product sits a little bit deeper into the container, and I feel like eventually once you kind of blow through that, you are going to have to take something and dig down in it. I feel like for $35 and this is all that you get, I am not really super happy about that. You guys probably won't even be able to see that on the side. Let's see. So this is my first time taking it out of the packaging, but as you can see, it looks like that would snap off very easily. So just in my personal opinion, I don't feel like you get enough product in there for $35. I feel like there is, you know, other products on the market that you get a little bit more, and you might just pay probably $5 more, because the average foundation nowadays is anywhere from $35 to $49 in terms of like a stick foundation. Now, I mean, the quality of it might be good, and we're definitely going to see, but as of right now, I don't know. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch this. So the shade that I chose was number 15. These don't have names to it. They go by numbers, which can be either convenient or not convenient. I mean, I believe her, if I'm not mistaken, her other liquid foundation went by numbers as well. So we're just gonna go ahead and swatch it on the skin. So this is going to have, of course, on me, a warmer undertone. Now, my concerns is because this is supposed to be a blurring tint. If you're doing your whole entire face, I feel like within a month's time, you are going to have to buy another one of these. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. Now, it does glide on very easily. I will say this. This product goes on very smooth, and I'm not even going to hold you. You guys can see for yourself. This is beautiful. It is beautiful on the skin. I'm going to do one side of my face so you guys will have something to compare it to. I do, however, feel like, you know, my typical coverage from my foundation is probably medium to full. That's my everyday. That's what I like. But like in comparison, this side has no makeup on it, and this side has the blurring foundation. It is beautiful. Rihanna always gets it right when it comes to just knowing like textures and knowing coverage and what looks good, the undertones, she does get it right. I just feel like for as much as I had to put on, and like I said, I like medium to full, I think that you are going to blow through this very, very quickly. For my full coverage girlies, what I would probably recommend is, you know, doing maybe a tinted moisturizer and this on top for some added coverage. But if you think that you're about to go ahead and get full coverage from this particular product, this ain't that, okay? Again, I like the way that it looks. It is beautiful. But I feel like there are other things out there that are a little more economically inexpensive for my girls who don't want to spend a whole lot of money. I will say this foundation has absolutely no smell to it. The Pro Filter foundation, I cannot wear it because it has like a sweet kind of maple syrupy kind of scent. It does break me out, but it is beautiful on. This has no scent to it. It looks beautiful. In my opinion, if you are in the market for a foundation and you are wanting to splurge, I'm not going to tell you that this is a horrible product, don't get it, but I will say you're gonna blow through this foundation within a month's time. It just is what it is. So there are other things that are out there. This is beautiful. If you want to buy it just to try it, just to say that you have it, then, you know, that's on you. I think the foundation is beautiful. Would I purchase it again? Probably not. I do, however, feel like it would be great to contour with. Now, she already has contour sticks that are amazing, but I just feel like if you are in the market for that, then, you know, maybe try it. All right, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do the rest of my makeup off camera. All right, so I am back with my makeup finished. I kept it very, very light because honestly the coverage of this makeup is very light, so I feel like you can do a lot of natural looks as well as a lot of natural glam looks, and your makeup just looked really, really flawless. So all in all, my honest opinion, I think the foundation is beautiful on. I think that it blends well. It has a matte texture. It blends very, very seamless. Like I think the foundation looks amazing on. I have nothing bad to say in terms of the quality of the makeup, in terms of the color. It was very, very easy for me to find my shade. However, I feel like for the amount of product that you get, and you guys have heard me say that throughout the video, the amount of the product that you get, I feel like doesn't equate to the price. So that would be my only issue with the Fenty. So outside of that, thank you guys so much for tuning into this review. If you have not already, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my beautiful online family. And I hope you guys have the most amazing day. If you have already gotten this foundation, or if you plan on getting this foundation, please drop me a comment in the comment section below and let me know. And I will see you guys in my next video.